Hello everyone and welcome to the tutorial video on how to join a meeting in Google Meet. I'm Sabine from Create Login and Delete. Now without further ado, let's jump into our topic. In order to join a meeting in Google Meet, you have to have a link. Whether it be your employer or your friends or your teachers send you the link, you should have a link, right? So the link can be sent in any of the social media. For instance, let's say that they have sent you a link in Gmail. But in general, the link looks something like this. Simply click on the link and you should be led to this page. Now this option right here is if you want to enable your microphone during the meeting. And this option right here is if you want to turn on your camera. Now in order to join the meeting, simply click on Join Now right here. Now after you've been joining the meeting, this option right here enables you to turn off your microphone or turn on the microphone. If you need to speak, then you can simply turn on the microphone. And if you do not need to speak, then you can simply turn off your microphone. This option right here is if you want to enable your camera or not. This option right here turns on the caption. So this option basically enables the subtitles. This option is to send some emojis during the Google Meet, right? This is one of the fun features of Google Meet. You can simply click on it and you'll see a list of emojis right here. And this option right here is to present the screen if you want to share your screen to the participants. If you click on it, then you'll see a small pop-up appear on your screen. This pop-up right here is for the option on how you want to present your screen, if you want to present your entire screen or a window or a tab. Now this option right here, small hand, is to raise your hand if you want to speak during the meeting. And a three-dot icon right here will present you with some features. And clicking on the settings will take you to the settings page in which you can manage your audio, your video, or some general settings like this, right? And right here in the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see some of the icons. This icon right here as shown is the list of participants. Now, since I am the only participant in this call, I don't have any participants, but you can see the list of participants by clicking on this icon right here. And this icon right here is the chat icon. If you want to send messages to someone, some participants personally, or let everyone see the messages, right? So this icon is to chat with some people if you want to say something without speaking to the participants. And clicking on the red button right here will get you out from the call. So this is how we join a meeting in Google Meet. Those were some basic features of Google Meet. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.